50% of Gen Z wants to ditch corporate jobs and then run their businesses. They want to run their own business, be their own boss. And I understand that it's very difficult and challenging for us to gain traction as well as execute business growth activities that can aid our business. And do not worry, in this video, I am going to share with you Gen Z business ideas. So stick around. Beauty business is one profitable business you need to explore if you're looking for a modern style business. Okay, now take a look at this. You can either delve into makeup, you can go into beauty, custom perfume production, or maybe skincare, a lot of it. Or even you can even go into blogging, beauty blogging. We have that too. Also, business consulting. Have you thought about this? This is just about you providing consulting services to organization to improve their performance as well as achieve their organizational goals. So it's that simple. Okay, are you good at setting objectives and driving results? Do not worry, this is a perfect job for you. So give it a try. We have event planning. For event planning, it takes a lot of skills, a lot of creativity, and a lot of tax. So if you're ready for this, you can read about event management as a whole and take a look at all what it's required from you to become an event planner, event manager, and explore this. It's quite lucrative. You can manage events and make huge amounts of money. Also, we have freelance jobs. Freelance job, this is another broad one. So you can either be a virtual assistant, either go into coaching, community manager, so either photography, UX developer, graphic designer, app developer, project manager, web developer, a lot and a lot on freelance jobs. So this is just a part-time job you can do at your will. Set targets, get your clients, go online, okay, get the necessary skills. It is very important. All these roles here, everything listed here, are all very taxable and it needs professional services to get all these things done. So before a company can outsource looking for all these roles, looking for people to fit in into these roles, one has to be exceptionally good. So get yourself equipped with all these skills so you can make money even at the comfort of your home. All these skills are profitable skills that you can make huge amounts of money from it. So explore. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, keep the notification button on, like, share my videos for more interesting videos like this.